MeghalayaPost.news. Kung sibenta ban ay Mynsiem Ïaki Dukan nongpoh town shopping complex ban Plie Ïaki Dukan jong kiman ke Sngi kum babun Ïaki Dukan ki jukang kerdep kan nongpoh town shopping complex nongkat ke jing trailang ber ke GNC store menta ke Sngi kila Plie pejba ke yau senrai ni ke autumn shopping carnival kabala sedang nadu menta ke Sngi ke kanri taring hadu arpo taring mentau benai ya ke yau lawan ban Plie pejba de ke kongrona kemdej MDC kanongpoh kum kekongsan hakajing donlang Deputy Commissioner Carnival District kakong birani ADC Carnival ki officer na kitanat sarkar bat kiwei hakate kayau ki don bunjat kitiar gitar ki jan kindap ki dukan bam bat kiwei ba ki pajba kila bandan sakate kayau ban kantie ki nong sang dukan bat khamtam bagani kan long gajing penblian ba ki dukan kimde ban khang khardap man ka Sngi henre ban Plie pajba kumba kani kayau kalong menta wala kate ke NTSC la Plie pajba la bun snem menta
as our continuous efforts to revive this shopping complex and make it what it was dreamt to be. I have, since the last 1.5 years, I have been hearing repeated complaints from people that they thought that it was a shopping mall, but it was a pale shadow of even a market complex. So, with your help, with the help of the shopkeepers, with the help of my very capable officer, from Ghani, and with Shoy, who has been working tirelessly for the shopping complex, we have been able to do our part. Now it is up to the shoppers and the shopkeepers that they keep the momentum going, and from our side we keep the efforts. We'll keep on making the efforts to ensure that the shopping complex realizes its true potential. That's all from my end, and madam, thank you for accepting the invitation. In the last festival, we saw that you were a pillar of support. I called you up, you took media along, you gave bites, you encouraged shoppers to come forward. So thank you, that was a very, very nice gesture on your part. So today also you are here with us today. So again, thank you for that. And with your support and with your constant encouragement, I am sure that the shopping complex will realize its true potential.
For us women, mga pagkukumpalan ng pasiayong ikuan, bandage, window shopping one, or bagay 3, bagay 28, especially girls. Kaya lakihan ka dyan na kapor, na Mynsiem na kipokir yan, may kapotong shopping carnival. Kamlong ko bejo, kamlong ko beseso, kamlong ko ban ay jumundon, ya ki long shop kan ki jongi, ya ki paprashan, paliyan hala ki jongi jan. My special thanks, our respected Deputy Commissioner. Thank you so much, sir. Last maybe we can say it's summer. I have missed the program, but today I'm rushing like anything from Shillong, so that I will not miss for this second chance. But here I am. So thank you so much for your leadership. You are not confined with the office work, but I know it personally. You have tried from your level desk many initiatives, many programs for the benefit of our local youth, for the benefit of our local entrepreneurs. So thank you so much, sir. God bless you and your entire team for your great efforts and for your great initiative. I just hope that we will not end, we will not bring out with this just autumn shopping, but just autumn. I just do hope that we'll proceed with the winter, with the summer from time to time. So with these few words, again ko joma sa sisipan na ay today lang di bago kibaya dapat na Mynsiem juga cerita pada Mynsiem Ïaki Dukan. Dan dia shopping carnival kan mengkut tanpa orang makan dia business. Dan mereka dulu kerja Mynsiem Ïaki Dukan. Kenapa kita di badan Mynsiem dan setengah sejam kini Mynsiem batangnya pensyur ini. Nama kami kerja kebangetan. Long besok bagi nyok yang akan sorga berok. Dan mereka kerja jauh kini kita di badan pensyur. Yani nongsen kami ibarat di jongi, bapila oleh lagi jongi jabat tapi yang lagi
MeghalayaPost.news